Hi guys! Okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Macy's Beauty Box for the month of December. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Macy's Beauty Box is $15 a month and you get sample, sometimes full-size to deluxe sample products. It's a little mix of everything, but it is supposed to be more prestige, high-end brands. Let's just jump right into it because this box always surprises me. Some months I'm like, yes, I love this. Other months I'm like, okay. Okay, let's open this up. You open it up, and this is what I got. So we have a little card that does tell us everything we got. And you do get a $10 off your next beauty purchase, valid in store or online. I love that. I'm trying not to look too much because it is spoiling everything. We did get a makeup bag. I'm not too keen on the makeup bag. This is a really pretty one though, especially because New Year's is coming up and it's gorgeous for the holidays. It's like a silver. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I'm not a big fan of bags because I do get ipsy and I do get bags every month, but it's a pretty bag. And then we have the sushi roll of products. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link at the top of the description box down below. Definitely check it out. Okay, so we have the products. Let me pull out the perfume samples. We have two. This is the Good Girl Carolina Herrera. And it says the new feminine fragrance, and that's what the full size would look like. If you guys don't know, I'm not a big fragrance person. I have all those behind me that I need to use up before I, go through any more. I am not going to spray this. I will just read the notes on the card. It's a Sambic, Jasmine, Velvet, Almond, and Cocoa are just some of the notes that make this your go-to scent for a fun night out. Okay, that's the notes of that one. And this one is the Invictus Legend Paco Rabanne? I'm not sure. An epic, spicy, woody geranium blast, blazing eternal amber red. No idea. That's what the full bottle would look like, and that's what it says. Let's read, because I have no idea. Geranium, laurelwood, and red amber come together to make this woodsy scent one that your favorite guy will love. So the Carolina Herrera perfume retails for $117 for 2.7 ounces, and then the cologne retails for $96 for 3.4 ounces. Why is perfume so expensive? I truly don't understand. Okay, let's pull out the next thing, which is by Grande Lips, and this is a full-size product. This is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in Midnight Shimmer. Now, I'm not going to swatch this because I do have a Grande Lips lip plumper in a deep shade like this. It's not a shimmer, but it is a deep shade. So what you do is you click this, and the product comes out, and you just rub it on your lips, and it does plump. This is a really pretty, purple shimmery shade. I don't want to open it. Like I said, I do have a lot of lip plumpers open already, but that is what we got, and these are pretty pricey, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, yeah, they retail for $25, and it says, Grande Lips Plumping Liquid Lipstick in Sparkling Sangria. If you love full lips, then you'll love this plumping lipstick in red. A holiday party essential. It will take your look to the next level. Plus, it's made with hyaluronic acid, which means plenty of hydration. Not mad at that. It says, instantly improves lip volume in 3 to 5 minutes, 90% fuller looking lips, 97% of lips feel hydrated. And then it's long-term benefits. Okay, I will definitely get some use out of this. I just don't want to open it right now because I do have 6 plumping glosses open and I want to go through those. The next thing is something I already have, so this will go into a future giveaway. This is the Girlactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm in Twinkle. Now, this is another full size, which is nice. However, like I said, this is one I have and I don't care for it. I'm almost done with it. It's just got it's a lip balm, but it's got a lot of very chunky glitter in it, and I don't personally like that. And the glitter gets everywhere. So say I put it down before bed, I wake up, I have glitter all over my face. Personally, not something I like, but I will throw this in a future giveaway, and maybe someone else will love it. Let's pull out the next thing, which is by Pure, and this is the Afterglow Highlighter, which I have. Let me grab it. Okay, this is mine. This is the one, I got mine in an Ipsy. This one I like that it comes in its own little pan because I wish this one did. But this will go into a future giveaway. This is what it looks like. It's a really, really pretty highlighter. One of my favorites. That shade right there. Not a terribly intense highlighter, but it does give a very pretty like glow from within look. Super, super pretty, and I really do like it. That will go in a future giveaway. Maybe someone else will love it. And then we have a new vitamin C ceramide capsule, Radiant Renewal Serum. What the heck? Look at those. Those like little pearls. So they come in this little jar. What? That is so weird. And do you like break it? Oh, I have to read because I don't know what the heck this is. And it's kind of, that's just kind of weird. So that Galactic Lip Balm retailed for $17. The Pure Highlighter retails for $26. And these Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules Radiant Renewal Serum. It says, get firmer, smoother, and younger looking skin with the help of ceramides and vitamin C. Your skin will be visibly brighter after one use. Just in time for your next holiday party. 60 pieces is $84. Holy cow. It says, pro tip, use one capsule in the AM and press the serum into the skin all over the face. Okay, so it's like one capsule is one use. How many capsules are in here? 7? So it's about a week's use if you use it once a day. I will definitely give it a try. I don't know how I like the whole breaking open the capsule and that thing. I'm not sure about that, but I will definitely give it a try. Next we have this, which I don't know what this is. Let's open this up. Oh, I'm not happy about this at all. This is the Makeup Drop Original Non-Toxic Hypoallergenic Cruelty-Free Makeup Drop. The Original Silicone Beauty Applicator. I've tried these before. Not a big fan at all. This one has shimmer in it. I will throw this in a future giveaway. Maybe someone else can use it. I have 2 of these, and I use them as foundation holders. When I put foundation out, I'll put the foundation on there instead of the back of my hand and use that. Personally, I just couldn't get these to work. This is what it looks like. It is just a silicone beauty sponge. I won't put my grubby little hands all over it because I will be giving this to someone else. Not terribly excited about that. Overall, this box was not very good for me. I have, what, 2 things? 2 things that I'm keeping and using, and they're the serum and the plumper. Other than that, I'm giving everything else away. This month just didn't do it for me at all. I either had the products already or they just didn't interest me. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this box is worth $15 a month? Because if you think about it, Allure Beauty Box is $15 as well, and I tend to love every month. But let me know what you guys think down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to see more of my lovely face, you can follow me on all my social media down below. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter for a little more behind the scenes look at my life. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.